It will no longer be small amounts here and there. I'm talking about large payments like $260 going through, all because of the power of this Google method that I'm about to expose to you in this video. Few individuals are aware of this tactic, and those who are aware of it are keeping it to themselves. I'm not sure why either, but as is often the case in this channel, it's all about learning and earning together. So please allow me to share the best of what I know with you. The amazing thing about this approach is that it is available in all nations around the world and pays out in a variety of payment choices. This is also completely free, meaning that no investment is required. Stay attentive and watch until the finish to understand the secret Google method and start making payments right away. Hey guys, this is Clever Money, and on this channel, we love talking about all things money, as well as ways to make money online wisely. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Without further ado, let's begin. Now, let's return to the video. First and foremost, I want you to go to Google for step 1. If you type shrinkme.io and then press enter, you'll see the first website, ShrinkMe, the most trustworthy URL shortener network right here. When you click on this link, you will be transported to the actual website, where I will teach you how to earn $260 in just minutes. In order to start making money quickly, you must follow my methods and use my Google technique. People are making money every single minute, and I'm not exaggerating when I say that. Let me show you some of the payment proofs on this website. Take a look at this. Every minute, people from all over the world are earning money and cashing it out. You can view hundreds and hundreds of real income proofs right here. And this website generally pays out on time every single day with no delay and never misses a payment. Aside from the ones you can choose from, they have many other ways for you to cash out your money, such as bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, Payza, or any type of cryptocurrency. In fact, leave a comment below and tell me about your country as well as your favorite payment methods. Now listen up. In order to start making money, you must first complete these 3 simple procedures. First and foremost, you must create a free account. Number 2, you must shorten a URL link and then share that link somewhere else on the internet. You don't have to be concerned because I'll teach you exactly how to accomplish it in a moment. When you set up the system correctly, you can start receiving a passive income of hundreds of thousands of dollars in minutes. If you don't watch the movie all the way through, you risk out on critical components and not generating any money, or worse, the money you're being sent may become locked within your account, which I don't really want to happen to you. So stay tuned because I will walk you through the process step by step. If you wish to join up for a free account, simply go to the upper right-hand corner and click register. Simply click on this link and fill out the form to sign up for a new membership. Now get this. If you join up for a free account, you will instantly receive $1 for free. This is a sign-up bonus, and once you've earned $5, you can start withdrawing your funds. They pay out on a daily basis, which is exactly why I like this website because most other websites need you to wait weeks or even months to cash out, which is kind of frustrating. But here they pay out daily practically quickly and accept a wide range of different payment ways. In a split second, I'll show you precisely how to start making money right now by using my secret Google trick approach. But first, let me quickly demonstrate how everything works. In a nutshell, we'll go to YouTube and find a video, a very specific film, and then we'll get a URL link on that specific YouTube. And then we'll return to the website and paste the link on this bar. After that, we'll simply shorten this link right here, and our website will assist you in instantly shortening this large URL link into a much shorter link. I'll show you the precise live demonstration in a minute, but for now, I'll just describe the basic concept and how it works, so you have a better understanding. Once the URL link has been shortened, you can share it with another website. I'll reveal to you my secret free traffic source to obtain a lot of clicks on your link, and you'll make a lot of money every time someone clicks on it. Allow me to demonstrate a different payment rate that you will receive. Assume that when people from Greenland click on your link, you'll receive $22 for every 1,000 clicks. You will earn $10 if you get people from the United States to click on your link. You'll see different people from different countries clicking on your link, and you'll earn a different rate each time. Which is why I'll show you this special Google trick that will get you a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. And that's how you'll get the most money, which is $22 in this case. So I'll go over how to pick the greatest video on YouTube because if you discover a horrible video, you won't get much money. And I'll show you precisely how to do it, and then we'll go to the website to shorten the URL. Once you have the shortened link, you will go to Google and apply a very unusual trick to multiply your money and make a lot of cold hard cash. So here's my first suggestion. I want you to go to YouTube right now because the greatest performing videos I've ever seen are weight loss videos. When people want to learn how to get in shape or lose weight, they will immediately go to YouTube and search for the videos they require. Now when you get there, put in weight loss video. Then click on this filter, then click on this week. Now we have to get the video that has had the most views, likes, and comments for this week because there will be competition from other videos that have recently been released. This one, as you can see, was uploaded a while ago along with these other movies. You'll discover the best performing videos. For example, this one right here has a lot of views, so what you want to do now is just click on this video to open it, and then you can see the URL address of the individual video on top of that. Go ahead and copy the entire link by highlighting it. We're going to return to shrinkme.io, then place the link right here on this tab. After you paste the link, simply click on this button and they will instantly provide you with a shortened URL link. As you can see, just copy this link and save it since we're going to utilize it later. Moving on to the following stage, we'll head to google.com and search for many well-known forums, specifically weight loss forums. Simply pay attention and follow me to see everything. So right now, type in the keyword weight loss forum and then press the search button. When you utilize this method, you'll find a lot of various places where you may share the link, since people who want to lose weight will hang out on different forums, participate in different discussions, and find different weight loss ideas. There are the people we want to persuade to click on your shortened link, and what you need to do right now is to join any of these forums. This is a good example, and it's just one of the several forums I'd like to show you. Using Google, you may find hundreds of different forums. Keep an eye out for this Google method to attract a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link so you can get the maximum money quickly. If you bring in folks from, say, Sweden, you'll make about $5. You can make 2 to 4 times as much money if you hire individuals from Greenland, which is obviously better. And I'll show you exactly how to accomplish it in a moment. When you visit the forums, you can typically join up and register for free. Consider this one. Simply click the register button and then fill out all of your information. Simply enter your login and sign up for an account. And you may do the same thing on a variety of forums. The more forums you join, the more links you may share and the more people who will click on your link. So here's the question. How can you narrow your emphasis and find more folks from Greenland, Ireland, or even the United States to work for us? That is a problem, as you can see. You can also attract people from other nations to click on your link, which isn't a terrible thing because you'll still make money if you utilize this strategy. So here's the secret tactic I'd want to show you right now. When you make different searches on Google, you will be able to click on settings. You'll find the advanced search, just click on it, and then you'll see this, region. We just need to filter them to Greenland. For example, if I want to search for Greenland, I can do it right here by clicking on that and then on this advanced search button. And by doing so, you can find a number of forums that are particular to Greenland. And then you can just repeat the same ways for getting a lot of targeted people from Greenland to click on your link. However, because the forum available in Greenland is quite limited, the second best thing you can do is to focus on Ireland or the United States as well. You may simply return to Google and navigate to the settings page. Select Advanced Settings, followed by Advanced Search. And over Region, just find the United States. And you can repeat the process as many times as you want. This is completely legal, and you will not face any consequences because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos. You're merely watching various weight loss videos on YouTube. In fact, they're going to adore it since they'll receive more views if you share it with others, and they're actually pretty thrilled about it. This is one of the Google Tricks ways because you can get a highly concentrated and specialized area to make more money at this rate here. However, as previously stated, you can share this URL in a variety of ways. You can share this link on YouTube, for example, in the comment section, or on Facebook or other social media platforms that you use. Keep in mind that the more people that click on your link, the more money you'll make. So this is exactly how all of these folks from all around the world make real money. So, that's it for today, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and let us know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.